ase ensema ya building and civil engineering nkwigeri bale plumbing, masonry, carpentry and joinery, building technology, civil engineering na we go water engineering. Ase ensema ya computing and informatics nkwigeri bale ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na we go na network system administration. Ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering nkwigeri bale electrical installation na we go electrical engineering. Ase ensema ya cosmetology nkwigeri bale hairdressing we go mbabwate fashion design. Ase hospitality and tourism nkwigeri bale food production yani cookery na we go food and beverage production we go mbabwate course ya driving kuchasi bali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barare Nyakundi e principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County Kitutu Masaba Constituency Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batajeti universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagara bonigase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali loan cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school ubulendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye gubali constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications kirororo n'ababunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we kawe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migutras kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Magaro bengia umwanchumo ligereria boirire andonsi asoto tengerete no kwigena kwanenga ejumatano yago yechitarikinya umutinyo kabere nigo yabeire entoerurukigima no boigo ninde no kwigena nga litukuliago yabeire likoera buya andonsi asoto bwatirete cheragire chinsa ibere karibu sana ase kiunga chinsa ibere elitunyare ko batokwemanya mange ayagendete korekana kurwa chinsemo au nigo tukubateranera Wilson Makori kurugara sensemo yebimanyererio nancheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto. Mwanchumo ligereria ekiunga chinsa ibere nigo togochaka kurwa ase county ya Nyamira aso mugavana we county yo Amoski Mwominyalibo litukulia lero nigo abiriga kugokera egetambokero kigo chakiwa ku muroberio bogukinya ebirengo bya matoke anene imeye county yo ya Nyamira kagukwana imeye county yo litukulia lero chingaki abaga kumirana no mulikyo manene asesemo yo bonchererio boke Susan Mangeni nyalibonigo atebiribuna egetambokere kyo nigo kira konye abasayi mono anene ekero bakwirigeria engeri yabo yakira lituko.
You know, Nyamira, as another Kenyan county, has a problem with the youth. There is a lot of unemployment. So this is one of the opportunities which among many which can open up for the youth to get engaged and make money out of it. As I had told you earlier, we started it by growing food, but now it might appear the fiber business might be the main value chain. Although banana also, as a banana, has a lot of potential. Unknown to many, banana paste, meaning if we process banana to be a paste, there is a lot of demand in Europe and elsewhere for pharmaceutical industries and the food industries as a media of passing the medicine. So it's also a very big potential which you cannot satisfy. So going forward, I think the opportunities are opening. The youths will be out of the streets. The mothers in the villages will be getting value for their efforts. And as a government, I am the first one to set up an ICT hub, county government. I'm training young people every month. Currently, I'm training 35 every month to be able to access online jobs. But in the next phase now, from July, I want to expand into 3 or 4 areas so that even if you do not have money, you can do online jobs, save money, and start maybe producing other things like this fiber. You can easily go. If you don't get Nyota, because Nyota cannot give everybody, you can get money from online and save and start a business of production, of value addition. We are going to put money to promote this particular value chain because it's unique and the market cannot be satisfied. So we hope we will team up with the national government because the aim of the national government is the same as ours, to be able to assist each other in alleviating.
Mwancho murigereria asensemo yaye omurikyo yomunene umusubati Susan Mangini nigo abereka gusegeta bananchi awonchoreria ebirengereri byabo kurwa ase ogutumika amatoke buna endagira yoka kurende neribagerio okonyatumika ase chinchira chingao egento kemanyekanete buna value addition.
Thank you so much. So first of all, I want to thank the UN family for having put together this initiative, bringing together its agencies, UNIDO, ITC, FAO, IOM, to come together and bring up this initiative. So this means a lot to us, especially as a government. As you know, the national government has flagged out 9 key priority value chains, and among them is textile and apparel value chain, of which the banana fiber, or even all these fibers I've seen here, being displayed here, sisal, cotton, are part of the ingredients that make a big deal in the textile and apparel value chain. So the beauty with this particular value chain is that all over this country, there's no corner of this country where you cannot meet with the raw materials. If you're talking about sisal, they are scattered all over the country. If you're talking about banana, we are doing big. We've gone big when it comes to banana value chain in Kenya. In the last couple of years, you know, there have been a deliberate efforts to promote tissue banana all over the country. So again, this gives us then a good base of the raw material to try to progress this value chain to commercial now levels. And the beauty with this is that for a long time, we never really cared about the banana stem and the banana fibers, you know. Everybody just cared about the food aspect of banana. But what is turning out with this now new innovation that we've seen through the pilot program in Nyamira is that actually banana can become an anchor value chain in some of our counties, especially where they're going big on banana farming. So I think it's an initiative that we welcome, and as a government we're going to work with all the actors, development partners, as well as the county governments to make sure that it takes off. I think the pilot program just showcased what is it that we can generate from the alternative fibers, and banana is just one of them. I think we still have a lot that is happening across the country. We've seen some of the products which are coming from there. Look at their prices in the international market, huge. So this again now becomes another cash crop that will be taken to the global market. So we are going to work with them to unlock that potential, and by that all we need to do is just to first of all mobilize our young people and women, those at the bottom of the economic pyramid, because that's where it's in the rural areas that you'll always see each and every house. So at least I think in Nyamira, and Governor, you'll bear me witness, there is no homestead that does not have banana. So it's already there, it's already a traditional practice. But now our efforts right now is to see how do we take it from beyond the kitchen, from beyond just being food on the table.
Egati ya bamenyi kurwa ase ekinyorokia makora imeye sublocation ya Bugiakumu ebunge ya Bunchari imeye county ya Kisii nigo bagendete gutigara aso musunte kelima magiga y'abantu batamanyikaniti gusagana ekinyorekyo na kuiba chiwaya chiestima obutuko obugukira rero kurengana n'abamenyi abo nigo babeire bakorera na batebabuna nigo egekorekyo gose nigo ekebekyo keberege kogenderera asa tukatari make na niga bantabu babiri bagocha chinga kichabutuko na kubaibera chiwaya chiestima kubatiga somusuntaime nigo bono babwatukirege kurege tindi na kuburia bonsi abo bagendete gwikirania ege korekyo kubwatuka limulyoka bose bachikwemukirwa ege tambukirege tindi kerichiko ekero baraikerwe
ndobwato bakonguga obonge chistima chiabutoiru chiaerire tari bono litangani ine tunda ya kane Togo chikoboka mambi tuanyora chiwaya nchiyo. Tuanyorira abaibi ba ngokagera na bare mega ngaba stima mneko na koibwa. Bana bakoboka barandere guya eri ntangani yanse bakarugoro. Kokoboka kwanyora waya teye bando mochionde. Iga tuachande kirabangi nanga kimagoteba. Baminton tobwate stima. Ya. Batonyarire manya bagutara mpaka isikoboki ntori korara tokonya gaki abantu baminto tokonya.
Togoza babarai gavano ito Prasi no musie no MP igao tole kemisi twaulirwe stima epare ne ekorukorwa ngunyauno ngumbu yande Bugiakumu eza banafunzi baito bagosoma bono ga ne kemisi gyo kabanda twaria isiringa abagocha baeta ali asege kemisi kere no esege suntekere no bago piki chiwaye chikoru ekara twachiko korobo no galiko chumuino ga twanyoranga ase biro byogete mbase mbakune tiwaye echo abare kurusia ase egesuntekere
mugakio tugusaba mabira kurwa simule motokonye gwetera twaibiru boire twachandikire munanje timbwatia kerorero nkororera nonye na abana bane bakurwe sukuru mbabwatia ase bagosomera nonye na bagweta mari bune gwaya bune rigerege cieri gura abana bakurwe sukuru bona babwate bono gakia nare gwanja mware korora mabira motokonye gakibuno mungo nerore ko bange nerore amona intwe nando tumanyete buya mono gakia torwanirira ase ngenchoga igangatigati tore kurende kuranyorekane nwana ayo nyebwate orere biya to basa kuchiaka na chionsi pia ase ngencho nayo yomo bokoiba ngia yoranjere ngento kebutoiro ochekonerigwo ngia ekeragera bwanje ebinto bigokorekana tibwanjere na ngau mwanya bantu baiberwa oburinga ngaikwarusia ngaikwagura ase ngencho tori pago kware gochakorosia
gosege kurukia nekenene asabanko ana bali bakagire bagenda tugutusumbwa nturinga ntu bamaeti ntukagirete boni iganche nari ku request omu assistant chief na chief asebale ngweta bara na inde nabo baramanya bali yabaikeire bono ngo cyaka turi musakuito na inde stokonyoro omonto nturi kunya kumuira ime gosebona abantu baminda asengenje bato chandire chusi twarenga matanga bumuga konsombe mwina ali kara togocha pakatubira chikebo mwina ali bere aya bakaire nande bakaire kebo ke mwarimu ndari nande rero bachire matanga nande nale rugora nande bachire nande batuibero butuku bwa rero igom anenake kore bikore kana kera mutubwata matanga bamanyanga abantu borora matanga bone bare chinseji bache basungura chiwaya igonche kureke na rungo yokubwatu nabo tutamoire masengenjo bato chande tari boigo
chande yestima yabire gotonyora butambe tokobutoro chiwaya etware gosaba abantu ba Kenya Power baimokie getambukero asogocha kumanya nkike gandrete nande mbantu bangenjoki bagocha bakora ebintu ebi boiga bagambi bekenyoreke twabasabire mokoro moki asokobwatia amang'ana erinde mokonya abantu
abo bwatani bekiombe kia bateresa ikikemanyika ntimu na Kenya Union of Nurses imeye kaunti ya Nyamira nigo litukuria lero baba bakurwa amatuku 14 bagosereire guchigo tige mirimo gusegokora umugiru bwe mirimo inse yegeka yechi kibere gukwana kurwa ase kaunti ya nigo babeire bakwemurunganiria amang'ana ao egati yabo ugutatwara amazingira mayayo gukorera emirimo yabo bagukora egasi nyinge kubwatekana no mubaro bomoke amo na mang'anande amange ekero balinge gukwana na baliki amang'ana kurwa asomo Nyamira nigo babere bakomoche serikali ye county yeyu inse yo mugavana Amos Kimwami Nyalibo asekeri batebire buna nigo atari kurika abakuri emirimo asenchira ya permanent and pensionable.
Fanyishwa kazi nzito sana. Hasa tunalalamikia jambo ambalo county government imepanga, inawatoa nurses kutoka kwa zile facilities tunaita dispensaries na kuacha nasi mmoja ahudumie wagonjwa, afanye ile kazi yote, na kwa njia hiyo wanamnyima zile siku zake za kwenda leave. Hata wakati amefiwa na mtu wa ndani wa familia haezi akaenda.
A standard roster, a nurse supposed to do to work for 40 hours, but as we speak, nurses are working 70 hours in a week. The county government should come out and clarify on why it has not employed nurses. Right as we speak, we are telling the community of Nyamira that they are being treated by quack nurses.
At least kwa level 2 tukue na nurses wanne. But at the moment, it is a favor that tunafanya. We sacrifice ourselves. Tunafanya watu wawili. But wamefikia mahali, kuna jamaa wanakaa kwa ofisi. Wanaamuka asubuhi, sijui ni ndoto, wanakuwa kwa ndoto, wanaamuka, wanaanza kupiga watu transfer, wanaacha mtu mmoja kwa facility. How can you work?
Mwanchumu rigereria ekeroto gutigana nayo na kugenda guika ase eskuru ya Marindi no mweso munene ase eskuru y'oburoso ya Marindi eywe gutuka imeye ward ya Bugichora bunge ya West Mugirango imeye county ya Nyamira maiga ya barabwo kubekirwa etaya eyura chikorobya oboeto bwabo anena aborokiwa nabo igo abanyakinyoru ase ensemeyu anenekero kyomosunte ayaniga bakagwikiraniwa gwetera aso mwana siasa Douglas Orutwa Onkeo kubwatekana nengane yeiga nigo bono umorokyo munene bweskuru eyu abeire kagwesokia uyu manyikante muna Robinson Nyamwaka abeire kagwesokia na korokia omogokoye magega ya magenderayo gwikiraniwa ase ensemeyo muri kyo Fatgad Gesemba no robotyo aso wime
Buna injira egemo yokwenekya buna oburabu mborororo boisaine ase skuru y'oburoso ya Marindi ime ye wodi ya Bugichora ububura konye gosiria omusunte ase skuru eyo egento kera orobye nonyina masomo okoreka ase injira engia naboigo abanyakinyorabo baetanaine eskuru eyo okonyeka n'oburabu nigo bono babekeirwe etaya no mwana siasa Douglas Orutwa Onkeo
twachira nabaretire etaya security light erinde enyara okonya eschool ne community engaki estima okonyoreko enda nabo okonyora omosunto okoba arandu affected ne community at large
ingana eyiga yokoretwa gwitaya eyo eriokoreta oburabu nigo boigo yagokeirwe n'omwarimu omonene bw'eskuru eyiga asereta Robinson Nyamwaka ase ensemo yaye atebire nigo irache kubakonya nonyina ase amasomo yaborokiwa okoreka ase nchira enyororo
oyo kwana yakorokwa Robinson Nyamwaka omwedi teacher Marindi Comprehensive School igo tuli no mukasiri tukuria rero twanyorira abageni kurwa sichaika bakira singinje gwa kuja gusire skuru yaitu na mono honda tebe nga batokonyire taya asinginje yo gusire gesunte skuru yaitu enyore oburabu erinde abane kera bagocha mambia baso prep basoma naende nigo baratokonye 4K club asinginjo yo kinia agriculture se skuru yaitu na se community asa abana baito barasome muna mumaete CPE togendete curriculum nigete keta abana basome ibintu byonse
Kukwana kurase skuru eyo nigoboigo umwanasiasa Douglas Orutwa onkeo kurase wodi eyeiga ya Bugichora atebire boigo ibare no muroberio bugo chiako bwatuka amaigerio gochase chiskuru anene che wodi eyo igoro yenjira oburemi obuya burache wikiraniwa ase chiskuru anene buria bwechinyeni
Number 2 nduthaitha gukora gintu gikuru ku 4K clubs in the schools ntubwateranite na partner chinyinge kubwatira ndone county yetu ya Nyamira hasa magana smart agriculture tutagete gusimika chinyeni chi school na bintu binde amagana ya environment we establish nursery in schools tutaina abana baitu n'abana baitu in schools elinde ngake yo murakera abantu abange baburi no endagera unandiri 4K clubs in schools utanga bono no school njiko randagira ku rusiko no community na beko randagira ku school elinde tunya conserve the environment na inde to produce more to say in the future because no school na even feeding program this school
Kingo reporter Getembe korwa se skuru yo Boroso ya Marindi yegotoka imenye wodi ya Bugichora West Mugirange county ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Gisemba
Bia muno omurikito Fatgad Gisemba asengencho yorobochurwo togo tigana nayo togo suka musibosyo omujumbe West Mugirango omuske Stephen Mugaka nigo abereka gukwanira igoro yogo suki wa mutwe wo kubekarigena aliyo Boroso ase umuyiga bwo chugo chakiwa kwa magacho yebirasi byo gusoma imeye skuru ye secondary ya Otanyore amo ne chinyomba cha borokya be skuru ya Kebirigo Comprehensive oyo okagerego chigo chaka chitariki isanonemo omutinyo yiga a project yeskuru ya Otanyore nigo ekagerego chikoira chiringi chi million 50 na nigo oteneniwe elikurwa libaga gocha asobwaga wechipara obwo bwachaki walero ase egati yabo stage ya Nyamira mabundo wika gyanchore
nkobaboria buna umuroberio urekobese wiki bwoko igora amagacho ya administration block ase skuru ya Kebirigo Junior na ugo akige kamago kia Otanyore senior school elia ekwagachwa na ufadhili usene chibesa chia Safaricom Foundation yabetereirie iratenena kuchia chitariki chinde chigo chakurwewa asomo chenyoyo eye igego twalibaga turaikerania ukwagacha na maintain chipara chaite chia chandikire imbure tarabucha na sabire amabira ase uguchenchia emiroberi eyo lakini tigambae ogosemeria unaonye umwaka nure bwemirimo umwaka uliyo noruyo o 2026 elia nkubulia abantu bakeye menwa tubuchie imirimo iyo mu West Mugirango ira nete nyuma na ndibona na ruwete ira una West Mugirango igo yankoleta number 1 asobo chori bwabo na inche wika nkole West Mugirango number 1 asobo koleri asama genderero asichisemi asikwagacha asabana baitu bagosomera asuwoki estima ase uko rubura na gokonya kipara cheito tiganya saya bwo mulembe agendere gotoa chisemi nubo ngaini egere tonyare guikirania ndoto iyo mu West Mugirango na Nyamira koba county na constituency ire number 1
Mwanchumu ligiriria ine nkwana yaye umuske Stephen Mogaka umujumbe o West Mugirango imenye county ya Nyamira uyoringe gukwana na Getembe TV eyemo aseyemo wetera asenchira yesimi asoroboti ruaye umuske Mogaka no togochira umutimoko moke ase kagitari gitambe ntoirane tumnyimyoke asomutimoko tonyore enkwana yerituko tokoirana ntogendere gusanga mange buna agendrete gukorekana kurua chinsemo awa tobasa gusukare.
Gambo gyaku mugakio tugusaba mabira kurwa simule motokonye gwetera tugaibiru boire tuachandikire munanje timbu atia kerorero nkororera nonye na abana bane bakurwe sukuru mbabu atia se bagosomera nonye na bagwita mari bune gwaya bune ligerege cieri gora abana bakurwe sukuru bona babu ate bono gakia nare gwanja mware korora mabira motokonye.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwegeli bale Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwegeli bale Hairdressing we go mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production wigo mbabwate course ya Driving kuchasi bali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali
asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County Kitutu Masaba Constituency Nyamira County abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagara bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi abana ngwakana bari kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help high education loans board ne kibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gutumia kumenye skuru urendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri ngo mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we bursary in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bakoze school January mwakaribishwe togendereta na intake na application cinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migutras chilamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068 noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imishangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirikano y'ekikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo enyangi usuko kwa kuyomino imijiga au buna bono housewarming parties, engagement parties igatie vinde vige bono getembe television network nero ego kwayega ashiri golidio gotugutira ninchwe omurikiri wiye masheje munaba manyi baitabo bare no bamanyi baigoro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikiriwe nabukulika jumbenge wigo gwitira semeria WhatsApp woshigu yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726.
Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education.
In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today.
Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Keroka Highway.
Call us on 0741 562 931 or 0780 894 411.
Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
Wancho murigereria Ogetimbe TV karibu nande asensemo ya kabere ye kiunga chinsa ibere elio ngenderego kumanya mwazire bwechisemi umusikie Julius Migos Ogamba nigo abeirega kurwa okubulia uchiase ababwatani bechisemi kurwa chinsemo au kubwaterana ilikoene kibunangu kinya bali ibirengo bya sekta yechisemi kagukwana imeya magacho yobumenyi bw'umurai bwense ya Kenya State House ime mucho Nairobi umusikie Migos nigo boigo abakagukwanira igoro yabo kwa ba grade ya 10 asaba kagwatebabuna abange babo nigo baikiranire asechi skuru na nigo bagendrete kwenyorera amasomo abo na koene kibuna chibesa ngochire gutumwa gocha asechi skuru asobwango mono.
Your Excellency, our work in higher education continues to follow a principle you have consistently affirmed, that no qualified student should miss the opportunity for university education because of financial constraints, or that no institution should be limited by outdated funding systems. Under your leadership, the university funding model has been reformed to make higher education more accessible, affordable, sustainable, and aligned with national priorities. We are already seeing remarkable progress. Institutions are stabilizing, accountability is improving, and more students are accessing opportunities in higher education across the country. Bomet University enters this space at a time when innovation, relevance, and quality are central to our national development. May I take this opportunity to call upon Bomet University, and indeed all our universities, to prepare in terms of programs and human capital to receive the first cohort of the students under the competency-based education system in 2029. As we gather here today, this cohort has started senior school with a transition rate of 98.5% thus far. This high transition rate is attributable to strategic interventions by His Excellency the President that have eliminated barriers to access, such as costly uniforms and fees. Indeed, Your Excellency, may I also take this opportunity to thank you for ensuring that the education sector is adequately and timelessly funded, as illustrated this term when capitation was disbursed to schools even before they opened for the new term. Today, as we congratulate this institution to becoming a full-fledged university, we undertake to continue working closely with the leadership, with the staff, with the students, and with the surrounding communities to strengthen quality, build credibility, and expand our academic and research opportunities.
Mwanchomo ligereria ine nkwana yaye umuwaziri w'ekisemi omusike Julius Migos Ogamba ekera lengi gukwana kurugalia ase nsemo guse county ya Bomet kulende tali enyumba y'obura ya State House bunanaika gukomanya abuli tangani University ya Bomet nigo yalengi wetenenera litukulia lero omuyiga obakugwikiranwa amo n'omurayi bwense ya Kenya umuwaziri w'ekisemi igati yabarayi bande abange kulende togotigana nayo uyo kabeire omonachi ebino monene imensi ya Kenya David Kenani Maraga nigo agendrete komocha serikali asogotaikiranĩria abananchi amagenderero anene aliyabetege kubaliera chira ase chinsemo ukwana kurwa ase county ya Kwale. Maraga nigo atebire buna obukurumi nigo bagendete koenekiwa muno anene ase chisekta chiengencho muno ime ya serikali na komenta goteba buna sector ye chisemi nigo egendete kuyeriwa muno kubwatekana no boteneneri obobe.
Nileta zaidi nataka kusimamisha wizi wa pesa ya serikali. Wizi wa pesa ya serikali nataka kusimamisha kabisa. Kenya si masikini. Ni pesa ambao ile ambayo inatakikana kwenda kwa shule ya watoto wetu inachukuliwa na watu binafsi wanaenda kufanya mambo yao. Mumeona mara nyingi pesa zinalipwa kwa shule ambayo haiko. Pesa zinalipwa kwa hospitali ambayo haiko. Na wananchi wanaendelea kushangaa na kutopata ile huduma ambao wanatakikana kupata.
Hawa wenyeji vuguvugu wa pwani wanaongea kwamba hali ya uchumi imezorota, lakini wao wako na mashamba, hao wako na madini, hao wako na bidhaa. Tuwaonyeshe na tuhakikishie ya kwamba wakati utakaochukua ushukani uwe wewe ni kiongozi, ile madini, ile minerals, ile red rubies ambayo iko huku, ya kwamba lazima ikuje isaidie wananchi wa Kwale, isaidie wananchi wa pwani, ndio ilhali ya kwamba uchumi ya nchi hii, ya sehemu hii ikuje juu.
Mwanchumo ligereria ekerotogo tigana nayo University ya Bomet nigo yanyora chinguru cyo wetenenera alitukulia lero ase omuroberio umanyekanete buna kwenanwa echata ocha ase University yo Oino muyiga obako ikiranwa no murai bwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto amo no murai wechisemi osomo waziri wechisemi imeyense ya Kenya omusike Julius Migos Ogamba na nigo muroberio yo obako korekana ase nyumba y'oboro ya State House imeyo mucho Nairobi.
Let me commend the leadership of Bomet County, the people and the community in Bomet County for their support of this great institution, and to assure you that you have my support, undivided and qualified, because Bomet University deserves it. I have discussed with the county government of Bomet on relocating the stadium, and I think we have agreed
with the governor here, and we have some new land somewhere else. So I think the beginning, Chair of Council, is that what was the stadium there can now become part of the university. And I think we can start there as we try to expand the facilities available for that university. That is, if it is okay with the community in Bomet. Let this university become a center of solutions, solving real problems and creating real opportunities for the citizens of our country. Congratulations, Bomet University. Congratulations, Bomet County. Congratulations, the Bomet community. My very, very best wishes. Asante sana.
Naboigo ekiama kia UDA nigo kiabagie kwaregania omusangirerekano munene bwamba meriria abebirogo bya gisiasa asobochoria bonene bwekiama ikyo ase obochori boli bosio ase omwaka bwechiri 2025 omusangirerekano uyu nigo orenge kurawa n'omurai bwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto amano mokonyoye Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki.
Na mimi nimefurahi sana yale mambo yote naibu wetu wa rais na deputy party leader wetu wa UDA amesema hapa. Sio kazi ya William Ruto peke yake. Hiyo ni kazi ya Wakenya wengi ambao tumeshirikiana na wao. Ni kazi ambayo inahusu wanachama wote wa chama ya UDA. Kila mwanachama wa UDA mahali popote ulipo, ujue ya kwamba hiyo maneno Profesa Kindiki amefanya hapa, wewe ni sehemu ya wale watu waliotusaidia kutimiza haya mambo ambayo tulikubaliana na Wakenya. Tunaelewana jameni? Kwanza mimi nataka kurecognize. Hapa tuko na candidates ama aspirants wa kiti ya governor. Kama umekuja hapa wewe ni aspirant wa kiti ya governor, simama tukupige makofi. Hawa majamaa tuko na aspirants wa governor 149. Mwapigie makofi jameni. Wameketi kila mahali hapa. Asanteni, ketini. Hapa tuko na aspirants wanaotafuta kiti ya Senate. Wasimame wakiwa hapa wale wanatafuta kiti ya Senate. Tuko na aspirants 279 wanaotafuta kiti ya Senate. Mwapigie makofi jameni. Tuko hapa na kina mama aspirants wale wanaotafuta kiti ya women rep 323 aspirants looking for women rep. Mwapigie makofi jameni. Tuko hapa na aspirants wanaotafuta kiti ya ubunge, members of the National Assembly 1372. Mwapigie makofi jameni. Mwapigie makofi. Aya. Alafu sasa tuko na grassroots. Tuko na majamaa wa grassroots, wale viongozi wa mashinani, kiti ya MCA pale karibu na Mwananchi 10,233. Tuwapigie makofi jameni.
Mwanchumo rigereria gwikira buno tugwikira mweri bekiunga chinsa ibere kolende nkwirana tule ekaro charagire chinsa inya eritokoretera yande asinchira yoboikirano byamono yabene asingincho wancha kurigereria Getembe TV amangana mayana boigo emiroberio au niko twabere tukubwaterana nere Wilson Makori kurugaria asinsemo yebimanyererio Wilfred Matundura nere oenekia chikamera mbuyachire nabugo yole koenekia eliogine chibicha bya gwikire nigakoruko Kevin Ongeri kose DJ Atsan na ncheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi au bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwegeli bale Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwegeli bale Hairdressing we go mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production wigo mbabwate course ya Driving kuchasi bali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali
asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County Kitutu Masaba Constituency Nyamira County abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi abana ngwakana bari kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bari loan cyo basoma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana ngwaye wari kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school gorendagera na gwakanese nyomba komenya egento kende abana ngwaye bari constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri ngo mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we bursary in full inda abana baito January intake nagendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migwetera sikiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068 ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imishangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chipafide mesangirikano y'ekikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo enyangi gusuko kwa kuyomino emijega bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties diabetes igatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayiga asirigoririo gotugutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare nobo manyi baigoro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yake simigwitira namba 0741499726
Enyagitari ya HK International Medical Center nige gotoka imyomo chobosongo nigo yakira sengencho yao nabo igo nige bwate abanyagitari bo bwato bomanyi bwigoro kegima abo bakora meremo yabo keboikeranu
incheno manyagitari irini kemma obani korwa senyagitari ya HK International Medical Center irega igo mochito bosongo
Boigo, nyagitalia nige bwate chi machines chingia, echichigo tumeka koringoria maroire au asomo bero na mariogo onsi alioraganye ase obobwenya bwao.
Nabonta getoko tanga ase nyagitalia itu nigo toko kara scanning yo mobero mogima, yani toko nyerokaso monobweke songo nga full body check up. Igonta getoko tanga nigo toko ligere likorwa somo twe paka magoro ise twaligere the internal organs cha uchons pina kichigo function toko nyora chiricha zero function abnormal twako amariogo
amaroire bakorwaria ngamona diabetes gose oboroire bwe sukari high blood pressure oboroire bwe chinyigo gose kidney asthma arthritis brucellosis infertility in men and women hormonal imbalance family planning uterine fibroids oboroire bwe stroke prostate enlargement stomach ulcers chi allergies cancer
nonya no mochando bwa maino amaina ali yako na gusumbwa nto bwata mariogo ya maino nto bwata maro mariogo ya marwaire yemeki emeki eri tichete emeki ngo tichere ya chikore nto bokongwa senkoro igonga marwa mariogo ali yago tichore emeki gusako igore emeki yagera manyinga tarabu yanto nyabwate nto bwata mariogo ali yago akorusia machando yechi joint chiri chikobuga borwaire bolito korokanga osteoporosis na boro buno borwaire bochandeta abantu baito na boro bwa mariogo na aroro nkorigere litole nonye na mangana respiratory system abantu mbarokonyora egekuba kiabo takonyara gutire getiro
epilepsy na boigo amaroire anda mange
na inda mariogo ya nigo tokonyarusia ase chinse cheisikobu na bono USA mariogo na ali tokorusia stokoroka Los Angeles California eyere ni USA na inde nkorustora mariogo anda ase chinse chiri tokorokanga Malaysia ayande nkorware India na ayande nigo tokonyarusi China
asa mange bakeresimi ase namba 0717176383 HK International Medical Center. Your health is your wealth.
Gitebe Technical Training Institute nigo ekurwa amegeri jechikosi ao bunabono building and construction kusubwagachi abwasiba kwegeria ubwagachi bw'ikinyumba naboigo ebiwanda ao kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gusi obusoni bw'ekiyanga n'ebintu ao abu ase bali na mbeyemo asugutwara machine chekerero nebinde binge nkwegerie bare amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigon kwegeri bare igore pedicure manicure barbering